Alright, y'all. We finna work on trying to clean these Cragars up. We got some wheelie clean and some aluminum brightener. We're gonna see how they compare up against each other. This is the wheelie clean, and this is the wheel acid. I think my wheelie clean wheel may be shot, but it's not the wheelie clean's fault. I think it actually did a little better at cleaning, but I do like the wheel acid a little better, and I may just be biased because I've been using it for so long. But I'm gonna clean up some more wheels, and I may try this wheelie cleaner again. It's seems to be a pretty good product. Don't have a lot of fumes or anything like the wheel acid does, so that's a good thing. Y'all check out my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Say some words at the end of the video. Appreciate y'all.